Captain John's Salt Life, and I just came across something that's going to be very helpful to you. Now it is blowing 20-mile-an-hour winds, so you're going to see the camera move a little bit. But I want to point out, this is a pinstripe here. It's been on since 1989, okay? And some people have tricks. Well, I've got one better. So watch this. With a barbecue heat glove, a heat gun, all right? Now, this heat gun has an adjuster on it, and I want you to just put it on just above cold, so it's not too hot, okay? And a nice sharp scraper. Now watch this. I'm going to turn this on. Let's see if you can, if I can get you my wrist. And I want to know how far away from the gel coat I need to be. All right, so right about there, just where it's lukewarm. Put that on, and just, are you seeing this? I'm not gouging the gel coat at all. The heat gun's not burning my hand. Look at that. Comes off like butter. And don't rush it, because you want it to stay warm. And when you stay warm, you can go a lot faster. Just like this. Isn't that something? Are you watching? This is how you take a pinstripe off without the customer knowing. It's so easy. Just like that. You can start anywhere, actually. Check out my other videos. It's called Captain John Salt Life, 1S. Some of them are just tricks that I've come across within the boating industry. But this is one of them that's a pain in the butt. And with being a pain in the butt, you could be gouging into the gel coat, then you get a gel coat repair and all that. You don't need it. All right, let's do this big stripe here. We're just starting right in the middle, you know? As long as you keep it warm. Just all right through. There's the end. All right. Here's another one. Let's start right here without gouging the gel coat. See, it wants to just peel off by itself. Just like that. All right. No gouging. Remember? Let's rehash this. Put that on just above cold. You feel the heat. You don't want to go too close, that's too hot. So you want to stay just lukewarm. Like that. Like that. Put the heat gun before the scraping. Like that. Okay, so I hope that helps you. Once again, subscribe to my channel, Captain John Salt Life. Give me the thumbs up, ring the bell. Things like this are very going to be helpful for you. I'm going to take it around to the other side. This little section here, what did it take you? Like 2 minutes to watch my video? This is a sea ray. We're slowly restoring it. All right. So we're going to take off, obviously, the gel coat. I mean, not the gel coat, but the sticker. All that sticker came off, but I had to stop and show you how easy it is. And it's so brittle, but it comes off the way I'm doing it. So let me go ahead and upload this video here and get ready for the next one. This I did this morning. Took it all off. Get ready to paint this boat with all grip, and you have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Oh, you want to see Copper? Copper. Here's Copper. Hey, Copper. You're on Candy Camera. Anyway, have a wonderful day. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Ring that notification bell. I'll talk to you soon. I'm out.